guys, back at Auto Passion Perfect, and this is my second video today, and we are going to be watching Seven Gold, and this is not sponsored by them, by the way. We're watching Everly Opens Toys, but it's not sponsored by them. Also, I'm going to be playing Animal Jam, not sponsored by that either, and yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, right now I'm gonna go back to, I'll show you guys my house. So I think, I don't know, I don't want to get in big trouble for it, but I think it's copyright to do that, so I'm sorry, I'm not trying to do anything. Okay, so let's just get on with Animal Jam. So this is so I'm going to start from all the way back here because this is where you actually start. So you start from coming in, I guess over here or somewhere, and so you, oh wait, never mind, you come in over here. So first, you come in over here, it's just like a bunch of my pictures, and then there's also this. And then whenever you come over here, you can go up here, and then this is up here. That's my chair. And then this is my lamp that I can make bigger. There's also this thing. Then if you come up here, there's this chair. There's these things over here, and then you can't go down there, so you have to go down back here. And then down here, it's just the entrance to the SeaWorld. Over here, we have my room. I like orange. So this is where we're going to fix something. I just sit down right here. I just sit down right here and play my computer, or I just sleep right there. And then this is my sofa for watching TV, which I need to do that. So I could either sit and watch TV. I think that's new. Or I could just sleep. Yeah. So yeah. Then if you come down here, this part's really, really cool. You can play in the water. And if you go up here, over here there's a table, and you can sit on here and just have some tea. I might want to get some actual tea for that table, so I might want to set something up on that table. These are really cool ones. I'm not getting all of those because those cost too much, but what I'm going to get is something for the table. So I can buy that. And then I'm just going to put it on the table there. And then when I close the table, it's just like that. So then I'll show you my animals now. These are all of my animals. That's my sister's, by the way, so. Yeah, those are our animals. Yeah. So I'm just going to go make a new buddy or trade something, and you guys will see. It's already up to 4 minutes, so I don't want it to get too long. So I'm just gonna take off the camera, and then you guys will just see the Animal Jam. I really want these two. They're so cute. Well, I guess I don't need that one because that's, I don't need this one because that's for a girl and a boy. But I'll ask for this one. Oh, and the music in the background is my mom and my family making dinner. So, yeah. Oh, I could trade one of my pets, I guess. I'll trade this pet, and then I'll trade one of my dead items. Okay, so I'll trade Fire Imus. I think Fire Imus. I don't know. Okay, it's already up to 5 minutes. We need to do this quick. My computer's so slow. Okay, you know what? Come on, just trade Fire Imus. I don't even care if they decline. Okay, well, anyway, since this is clearly not working, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fabulous day, and subscribe and like and comment all the things you want, except for ad comments, of course. Thank you for watching. Bye.